All right, my guy, what are we feeling today?
It's up to you, whatever.
Anything?
Yeah, whatever.
What's the shortest that you've done on the top?
I mean, when I was a kid, it was short, but I mean, in years, the shortest it's been is maybe 3 inches.
Come on, man, damn.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah.
So you've never taken a number on top?
No, not in years. I mean, like I said, I was a kid. I think so. I was 14 maybe, something like that.
So free creative control for this cut?
Oh yeah.
And for the beard? You have a preference on the beard?
My wife wants me to keep it, and she does like this length.
Okay.
Otherwise, I mean.
Okay, cool. So keep the length on the beard. I'll go ahead and surprise you with the top, and then we'll go ahead and line up and clean up the beard. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm gonna start my taper fade using my 3-guard lever open. We're gonna aim it about here at his temple peak area. So what I'm gonna do, since he has really long hair, is this called scooping with the comb. So I'm gonna go in here, and when I wanna stop it right there, I'm gonna start to scoop out with my clipper. So very gently. If you guys wanna go quicker, you guys can also just. So I created a nice clean transition right there. So I wanna follow that line, dipping it back over here. To start the side taper, we're gonna taper it with the 1.5 closed. So I'm gonna go about 2 fingers here, and this is what's gonna start off my beard fade as well. So I wanna keep things very light. His hair texture is a little bit lighter too. I don't wanna expose too much of his skin. So that's why I'm going in with the 1.5. Top of that, I'm gonna go with the 2-guard lever open. Same thing with the 1.5 on the side. Two-guard lever open. All right, so I'm gonna start to line up the beard. I combed everything out. My goal is to create the most natural and the sharpest line that goes with his facial structure. So typically his Adam's apple is right there. I like going about a finger right here. That's the first reference point right there. I'm gonna go a little bit to the left. A little bit to the right. We have a clean outline of his beard. Let's go next and line up the vertical line bars right here on the corner. Connect it. I'm going with my 2 to start blending in a little bit of that. This is still growing together, so we're gonna blend in the shorter to the longer lengths by blending this to the top. I started with the 2 and then started opening it little by little. Then I'm gonna work in with my 3. Actually, that was a 3. The previous step was a 3. This is now a 2. Got mixed up. Going down with the green with the 2 now. All right, so to use our straight razor now and create a crispy, natural lineup, we're gonna start here at the top. I'm gonna stretch here. It's gonna be our first reference point right there. Next one is gonna be here at the top. First, outlining the C-cup area. Right at the top here. We're gonna repeat the same thing on this side. First, I wanna see top. I wanna connect both sides, make sure they're both even here. I'm gonna start, my first reference point is gonna be here at the top. Once that's made, so working the C-cup. Now let's start connecting. Now to trim the top. I'm gonna saturate the hair real quick. So what I wanna do here is I wanna establish the length in the front. We're gonna cut right at the eyebrow length right there. Next is hair that we just cut right here. We're gonna follow this along a vertical guideline right here. We're gonna use the length here to cut what it is, a vertical section. We're gonna connect everything now over here. All right, to style, I'm gonna use some sea salt spray. I'm gonna apply some pomade. Very light pomade though, nothing too crazy. What do you think, man? Free cut?
Really appreciate it. For sure.
That's dope, man. It looks good.
I got like no sleep last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my bad.
Nah, you good, bro. What happened last night?
I closed and then I had to open this morning,
Oh, shit.
so I didn't get out of there until almost 1.
Where do you work at, bro?
Chipotle.
Which one?
In Mission.
But I just had Chipotle today. That's gas, bro. That's cool. How long you been working there for?
A little over a year. Yeah, I guess October will be 2 years now.
Nice. What exactly do you do there?
Nah, I'm a cook. Like
Nice.
I'm the actual person on the grill.
What's the secret to the thing, bro? Is it? Are you guys legit, bro? Like, is it
Well,
clean food and shit?
Yeah, I mean, it all comes or not all of it. The steak we season in-house, but then the chicken does come pre-marinated. But like,
Okay.
it's actual chicken breasts, you know, it's...
Nice. It's not like fucking GMOs and shit like that, or like fake